Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Live Trading, the E-mini futures, where we try to scalp out $200 in the market every single day. Do click the like and subscribe button to follow my journey throughout this entire month. You guys, right now, let's go over the checklist above here. Right now, you guys can tell overall in the 2-minute time frame, we are heading in a bull market momentum. So we do want to have our buy signals illuminated. A signal right here was entered in right at this position at 444.50. They ended up making money to the upside. I did not take that trade. I actually just got on my computer right now and noticed that we had a buy signal with all of our metrics in combination coming out of this green buying zone accumulation stage. And take a look on our dashboard right here. Money's flowing into the market, green dot in the middle, which is a key EMA crossover, and our middle band completely solid green. This is where I want to actually be looking to go long in the market when you have all these metrics in combination. So I'm actually going to be looking into entering a trade here on the right over here. This is on my Trade of It account. And then we're going to go over the exact entries I've done so far this month and keep a track record. Transparency is the biggest thing I want to show you guys on this channel. If I lose a trade, you're going to see me lose a trade. I can't hide it at all. But I'm going to go for a very high win rate percentage and show you guys that it is very possible to be pulling out this kind of profit in the market. So you guys, right now, I'm going to actually go over here and I'm going to look at buying the market. We are having a little bit of a pullback here, just real quick. This is again on the 2-minute time frame. Let's go and zoom in here a little bit to see what's going on. What you guys can also look out for too, when you get a buy signal in the market, you want to look for, if you're on the Heikin-Ashi candles, while using these metrics, you want to look for strong candles that have a body on the bottom and a wick on the top. This is the strongest indication that during that time period, since Heikin-Ashi candles are overall basically like an average of what the price action is happening during that moment, you want to wait for a bullish candle to be engulfed to be able to enter in. Now we do have the buy signal entering right here. So basically anything a little bit lower than this, since we're overall still confirmed in a bull trend, is kind of going to be a little bit of a discount. So you don't have to enter in right away when you get these signals. You can tell right now we're actually heading back down to the downside just a little bit. So this is actually a really good example. And I'm actually glad this is really live right now to show you guys how this is going to actually play out. I don't want you to just get on a chart, take a trade, go into it. Again, confirmation is very key. I just did a video on my YouTube channel right before this that shows confirmation and how to wait and be patient with trades before entering in so you can have confirmation, because ultimately that's going to actually improve your success rate quite a bit. So you guys, right now, let's take a look. We are actually coming down, hitting a little bit of a level of support that we had here in the market beforehand. Again, overall directional bias is still in a right decision. But right now, actually, you guys, I am not. Take a look at the dashboard up here. We actually ended up just switching over. Money is, however, still shifting up into the market, but we now ended up actually getting a red dot and a red middle band showing bear market momentum. So since we did end up getting a buy signal here, I didn't enter in just yet. And you guys, this is, again, probably one of the most valuable videos that you're going to do, and to just show transparency that nothing's 100%. I'll be the first to say it. I am actually the founder of Simple Market Metrics. I've been using this for many years and have been very successful with this and a lot of traders. But you do get some signals in the market that just don't work. Now, overall, let's stay on this and actually see if we can get a push to the upside. Because yes, overall, this would have been a great trade if we can get in and make some profit to the upside. But if we don't get a continuation candles, you guys see how we did before here? This was a great entry. Right afterwards, we stayed green. So pulling out a point in the market, which we try to do each day, is very simple and actually very easy when all the metrics are in combination and as long as everything is still confirmed. This broke the confirmation. It absolutely broke the confirmation. This is coming back down. This is testing the bottom deviation level here. So that is an invalid trade. It's an invalid signal. I'll be the first to say it. And I'm really glad this happened, just so you guys can see again, 100% transparency just on this channel with the metrics. If you guys end up finding an indicator that has literally every single signal pointing to the upside when it's buy and then down to downside when it sells, let me know, because I'd probably be a millionaire by now. So I know I'm just kind of joking about it, but honestly, this is reality. This is real live trading. I can't make this up. I have no idea what's coming in the future here. That's why I love getting on here and doing these live trade analysis with you guys, just to kind of just show that sometimes this is what ends up playing out. I do think overall still that we actually could still see a nice shift to the upside, but right now I do want to just wait till these metrics are in kind of more of an aligned combination where we have our middle band here. I want this to switch over. I want these metrics to be in combination. Green dots, middle band, money flowing into the market. This is where you're going to get those huge setups where with all these three of these metrics in combination is where you're going to get a really good signal kind of firing off to go to the upside here. Now we are still actually coming back up a little bit, which is a good indication that we could see a push to the upside here. What I'm going to end up doing, I'm going to show you guys exactly what I'm going to end up doing if we get this signal. You guys see how this is switching back and over? That's the green. Money still flowing in the market above this 50 line. The first candle that we get that closes that is similar to a candle like this. You guys, this is a nice bullish candle. On entry, I want to enter right after we get a candle like that. So let's be patient here on this chart and let's go through this together and literally do this live right now. You guys can do a timestamp on this video. This is 10:56. You guys can see at the bottom here. I want you to go back to this chart. Today is July 6th, 10:56, and I want you to see why we were able to wait on this. Here we go. So heading up to the upside, let's see if this signal overall was a great entry into the market. Now, stop loss wise, what you guys want to end up doing if that is your entry, you do want to have your stops below the previous swing low. This is just a great indication that you can still stay within this trade longer. Now, I just go for 1 point. It doesn't mean that you can't go for multiple points in the market. Not at all by any means. All right, guys, another buy signal right here. I'm actually going to go ahead and buy the market right now. Enter into this trade. We're going to go for 4 ticks or 1 point into the market. This is going to equate to $200 since we are trading with 4 lots. So guys, let's just see how this ends up playing out. I do want to again have my stop now that this is the previous swing low right here. This is going to end up being at 444.250. 444.250. Let's go ahead and move that down to here. Now you guys, that looks like a huge stop loss on this, but that is because we're going for very high accurate win rates on these trades. All we have to do is go for 1 point. Now again, if you guys want this to go up and you want to go for like a 1-to-1, you can absolutely increase this even higher, because if we look left, our next level of resistance going even higher is going to be closer to this 444.750. Now 444.750 is going to be 444.750 is going to be up and around into this area here. So we're actually pretty realistic on actually getting into a trade like this to see if we can actually make this profit to the upside. Again, if we go look at our chart, we do have a buy signal illuminated. Again, all of our metrics in combination up 50, almost up 100 here on this trade. Let's see how this plays out, and let's just stay live here with you guys. Also, right after this, I'm going to actually go over to the account here on Tradeovate, and I want to show you transparency. I'm going to show you the exact wins and losses that we've had for this entire month since starting this, and then we'll go ahead and close out the video. But since we are here live, I just want to be patient and see exactly how this ends up playing out on our dashboard here. This is a great example. Again, all of our metrics right now in combination, money flowing into the market, green dot in the middle, and also our middle band shifting over to green. So all of those metrics are still looking very bullish in the market. This is a great example of going off of a buy signal, but also a buy signal with confirmation instead of a buy signal without a confirmation just afterwards. So let's stay here for a couple more minutes. We're kind of going back and forth over here. If you guys look on the live account, this is between about break even and 50. There's 50, there's 100. Let's see if we can get this a push up. There's 150. Let's go for one more here. This is going to push out. Let's see if we can close this out. Just need this to run a little bit higher on this trade, and that'll pull out. Kind of back down to break even. Come on, we only need to go for 1 point in the market, and this will actually end up closing out for us. Let's see if we can grab this real quick and see if this will close out. Looking like we're having some buying pressure here. Everything's still in line on our dashboard above. Trades like this, you just want to be really patient in the market, and you want to just wait for everything to play out. Up 50, up 100. Let's see if we can get this to go up a little bit more. Let's see if we can get to 150. There's 150. One more to close out, and that's $200. Order filled. You can hear it in the back. That is $200 profit, just like that. If you guys want to, I'm going to show you guys right now, all these metrics that I use are available with lifetime access. All you have to do is go over to Simple Market Metrics or click the link in the description below, and everything that you see on this chart, the advanced dashboard, linear regression, support and resistance, multiple time frame EMA, all of this is available for you guys for lifetime access. Take a look at our ratings, take a look at our comments that we have on these indicators. This is normally $199. Right now you can actually grab this for 50% off. Only $99. Now again, transparency is the biggest thing I want to show you guys on this channel. So let's go and go over here. Let's open up our trading account, and I want to show you guys the actual performance that we've been having. So let's go and go to this month, and we're going to go ahead and do go. And you guys can actually see right now for this month, we have actually gone 3 for 3 winning trades. So we go for $200 per trade. This is $600 in profit. Number of trades, number of winning trades, number of losing trades. We've actually gone 0 losing trades so far. So this is 3 and 3. And I'm going to update you guys on this throughout the market and throughout the month to show you guys exactly. So if I end up losing a trade, you're going to see it here down on the bottom. If you guys want to either do a screenshot of that, that's going to show you the exact entries and exits that I've done in the market. And this is all with just using simple market metric indicators that I show you guys on the chart over here. You guys can tell right now this is actually heading down to the downside. So we were able to get into a nice little trade here this morning. Thank you guys so much for following. Do click the like and subscribe button so you guys can see me trade live every single day, and hopefully you find a lot of education within these videos. I want you to be as successful as I've been able to do trading the markets every single day, and just have a great one. See you guys back here tomorrow, and have a blessed. Take care.